Hi guys! How to download music from YouTube Audio Library. Now open YouTube and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down. This is your control center, so don't skip this step. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click Audio Library. This is where YouTube hides all its free, copyright-free music. Most creators don't even know this exists. Use the search or filter bar above the track list to sort by genre, mood, artist, or duration. Finding the right song in seconds means you spend less time searching and more time creating. Click the play button on the far left of any track name to preview it first. Always listen before downloading, because not every track will match your video's energy. Here is the most important part. Hover over the YouTube icon in the license type column to confirm it says, "No attribution is required." This means you can use it without giving credit, and skipping this check is a common mistake. Hover over the far right side of the track and click the download button. The MP3 file saves instantly to your device. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial on how to edit these tracks like a pro.